Oxidean stainless CNC props. These props are proven at well over 100 miles an hour. Much stronger and stiffer than any DOS bullshit or any other copper or brass props. We now have some new assorted sizes. In 45 millimeter, we have different pitches. We have 1.9, 2.1, 2.3, 1.7. We also have a new 23 millimeter pair. That's 1.6 pitch, absolutely fly on the animal. All of our new pairs fly on the animal or any twin cat that you have. We now have patented the CNC stainless prop in the USA to avoid one of our main competitors that likes to copy our props and ideas, because we actually run boats. That's right, they're patented. Link in description if you want your boat to fly. These props are available and ready to ship now. No waiting. Get something superior.